Kim here with today's WalkFit workout. Just start marching through, feet right, left, right, left. So remember, if you're doing this to keep your step count up, you need to make sure you move your arms all the time. Just keep them swinging throughout. I'm going to add some arm movements. If they seem too much for you, leave them out. But do keep those arms swinging. Keep the head up, shoulders relaxed. Higher you lift the knees, the harder you're going to be working. Let's take it 2 steps forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward. Hold it here on the spot. And taps, forward and back. So 2 forward, 2 back, but we're starting on the other leg this time. Don't worry if you haven't got it, we're going to change again in a moment. And taps, change. Anytime you can't keep up with what I'm doing, just march on the spot. Let's tap change. Tap change and march on the spot, right, left. Well done. So we're just warming up for the moment, so it's not very fast. Let's take it 2 out, 2 in. Take it wide, wide and in. So take it as wide as is comfortable for you. Tap change, out to the left. Well done. If you got that, well done. If you didn't, it doesn't really matter if you stay on the same foot. Just trying to make it a bit more interesting. Ready to tap change, tap and out and in. Ready to tap change, tap and out, in. Let's take that forward and back tap change, wide, wide, together, together, forward and back. So we're putting the 2 moves together, forward and back, wide and together, tap change. You can add some arms if you want. I'm just tap changing every time. If that's not good for you, just stay on the wide step. Keep that moving. Just march on the spot. Two forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. Turn to your right, exactly the same. Turning to the back. Turn to your right again, so you're turning to the opposite side. Back to face me. Hold it here, tap to the side. Adding some elbow work or some back of the arms. So I'm just pulling up, letting the shoulders relax down, pulling the elbows up until I feel it in the back of the arms. If you don't want to do that, just let your arms swing gently. Marching on the spot. Forward, 2 back, forward, forward, back, back. Turn to the right. to the back. And again. 4, 3, 2, back to face me. Take it wide, 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 together. Little V step or box step. Flex some arms out. In. Again, if you don't want to add the arms, then you don't have to. Really up to you. Let's tap change. So keeping it with the left foot first. And tap change, right? Tap change. Now, if you want to make that a bit bigger, you can make it into a horseshoe type step. So it feels roughly the same, but you're turning in between, adding a big arm sweep. Try and get the heart rate up a little bit now. So I'm asking you to lift your knees a little bit higher, pump those arms a little bit harder. And keep the shoulders relaxed though, and the head up. Well done. We go to 3 steps and clap. Are you ready? And 3, 2, 1 and clap. 3, 2, 1. So you can add a knee lift. You can step back and forwards, or you can just keep it 3, 2, 1 tap. 3, 2, 1 tap and clap. Depends how much effort you want to put into this. Just turn yourself on your mat or in your space to make sure you've got plenty of room to do this without banging into anything. Let's take it side step and back, side step, back. We're going to keep those arms moving. And again. Other way. First side. 4 more. And change. 4 more. Change for 4s. 4. And change. 4, 3. And change. And change. If you want to add a little hop in the middle, you can. Really up to you. Hold it here. Keep it across to the left hand side of your mat. We're going to step, cross, step together with a grapevine. If you don't like the grapevine, stay as a double step. We're going to add some movements on the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, grapevine. 2 steps. Grapevine. 2 taps. Well done. Don't worry if you haven't got it. You don't have to do a grapevine. You can do a double step. Little tap. Double step. But keep those arms moving. Remember, we're trying to make sure those steps count. Change that a little bit. So this time, knee lift, grapevine. I'm taking my arms up, at least always my left arm with my watch, to make sure, again, those steps count. Just kicking it across. Let the arms flick. knees nice and soft as you do this. If you want to add a little hop, you can. I'm going to keep it low. I want it to be a low impact walking workout for me. March on the spot. Make sure you've got plenty of space in front of you, because we're going to go 3, 2, 1 and back, 2. And again. To the corner. To me. Make it as big or as small as you want here. If you're happier being on the spot, then just 3, 2, 1 and tap. Other corner. If you're on a mat and you've not got a lot of space, you might actually be turning to walk sideways along your mat. That's fine too. Just keep those feet moving, keep those arms moving. Hold it here. 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Back, back, forward and back. Or just march on the spot and tap. Hold it here. Step and back. Other side. Change. Keep those feet moving. March. Make sure your arms are comfortable. Do whatever feels right for you. Push them in front and pull back if you want. I've got my elbows here at shoulder height. And march. Heel digs in front. Bounce to your step. Well done. Toe taps in front, toe taps in front, toe taps in front, toe taps in front. I'm just pushing down, lifting the elbows fairly high, keeping the shoulders quite relaxed. Nearly gets me every time, that gap. Take it to that kick across. And march. And kick. Kick. Remember, you're keeping that knee nice and soft as you kick forward. If that's too much for your balance, then keep it to a toe tap instead. Always work at your own level. You're doing fine. If you need a sip of water any time, just wander over, keep those feet moving, just walk gently round with the glass of water in your hand carefully. Slow your pace down, catch your breath, and you can always join back in or just come back and do the workout later. Make sure you cool down slowly at the end though. If you're feeling a bit out of breath because this is quite a hard workout for you, then please make sure you do break. We're just going to finish off with a quick calf stretch, both feet pointing forward. Slide your right foot back and feel the stretch in the calf. Both feet are pointing forward. Try to have a nice straight line from the top of the head. Be aware of what's going on with your back. Try not to arch up. Keep it in neutral. Feel the stretch in your calf. As long as you're feeling the stretch, that's good. Watch you haven't let your heel come in. Feel where that stretch is in the calf. Lovely. Change sides. Well done. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.